do a Catherine wheel join. I like to refer to this join as the incognito join. It's a join that has the appearance of a double stitch, but it is actually a join. So because of this, we're able to make our join while keeping the smooth flow to our work. Our stitches are continuous without being interrupted by a normal join. So to do a Catherine wheel join, set your hand up like you're about to make a chain. Pass your crochet hook through the loop and under the thread of shuttle 1. Pull up a loop. Make sure your loop isn't twisted. Until you're familiar with the Catherine wheel join, I find it helps if you keep the loop and the thread going back to your shuttle slightly separated. It's going to make it easier to find which thread we need in the next step. Take the shuttle off your finger. Pass your shuttle up through the loop. Now we want to grab the thread that runs to our shuttle. We're going to pull on it until the loop pops through the back of our picot. Now we want to pull on this loop. As we do, it's going to tighten the previous loop and give us our first half stitch. So because of that, we want to make it sit up against the previous stitches when we pull it down. Grab your shuttle again. We're going to pass it from front to back through the loop and pull it down. As we do that, that's going to give us the second half of our stitch, and that is our Catherine wheel join. So then you would continue on with your chain. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.